Have you ever looked down at your legs and thought, why are they swollen again? You try to move, but the stiffness, that deep ache in your knees or ankles, just won't go away. You massage, you rest, you even drink more water. But nothing really changes. Here's the truth: your body is silently losing collagen, the most powerful protein that keeps your joints flexible and your skin firm. And the foods you're eating every day might be draining it even faster. But the good news is, nature has already given you the cure. Certain vegetables are packed with natural collagen boosters that can rebuild your tissues, reduce swelling, and make your legs strong again, naturally. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 8 collagen-rich vegetables that will help you say goodbye to stiffness, inflammation, and leg swelling. For good. These are not just ordinary veggies. They are your body's natural armor against joint pain, varicose veins, and weak bones. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, how it works inside your body, and how to bring back that energy and strength you thought you'd lost forever. So, stay with me till the end. Your healing begins right now. After the age of 40, your body quietly starts losing one of its most powerful building blocks: collagen. Collagen is the glue that keeps your skin, joints, muscles, and even blood vessels strong and flexible. Think of it as the steel framework that holds your entire body together. But as we age, that framework begins to weaken. The result? Your joints start to ache, your knees feel heavy, your skin sags, and swelling becomes a part of your daily life. Most people think it's just getting old. But that's not the truth. The real problem is that your body's collagen factories have slowed down. And when that happens, every movement, from walking upstairs to getting out of bed, feels harder than it should. But here's the best part: you can rebuild it naturally. Your body is capable of producing collagen again. It just needs the right raw materials. Certain vegetables are loaded with amino acids, vitamin C, sulfur, and antioxidants, all the essential nutrients your body uses to rebuild collagen from the inside out. So, instead of relying on expensive supplements or painkillers that only mask the problem, let's go straight to the source. The next few sections will show you exactly which vegetables help your body turn back the clock, restore flexibility, and eliminate that painful swelling in your legs and joints. If there's one vegetable your joints beg for, it's spinach. This deep, green leaf isn't just good for your eyes. It's a powerhouse for rebuilding collagen and flushing out inflammation. Spinach is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and plant-based iron, 3 nutrients your body uses to activate collagen production. Vitamin C acts like a spark, igniting your body's collagen-building engine, while magnesium helps those new collagen fibers stay flexible and strong. When your collagen levels rise, your joints begin to lubricate naturally. The stiffness you feel in your knees and ankles starts to fade. Even the swelling around your legs begins to calm down, because spinach also contains chlorophyll, a green pigment that cleans your blood and reduces toxin buildup, one of the hidden causes of inflammation. What's even better, spinach improves circulation. The more oxygen and nutrients your blood carries to your muscles and joints, the faster they heal. If you often wake up with heavy or tired legs, adding a handful of spinach to your meals, whether in smoothies, omelets, or soups, can make a dramatic difference within weeks. Remember, it's not just about eating spinach once or twice, it's about feeding your body daily with the nutrients it craves. Spinach is your first step toward stronger, younger, pain-free joints. Broccoli is more than just a crunchy side dish. It's one of nature's most powerful joint protectors. When your body loses collagen, your tissues become weaker and more vulnerable to inflammation. That's where broccoli steps in. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and a special compound called sulforaphane, which acts like a shield around your collagen fibers. Sulforaphane helps neutralize toxins and free radicals, the unstable molecules that break down collagen in your joints. Think of it as an internal defense system that locks in your body's natural strength. At the same time, vitamin K improves bone density, while vitamin C keeps your tendons and ligaments elastic, allowing your joints to move freely without grinding or swelling. When you eat broccoli regularly, you're not just protecting collagen. You're activating regeneration. Studies show that people who consume cruciferous vegetables like broccoli have lower inflammation markers and better mobility as they age. For best results, eat it lightly steamed or roasted. Overcooking can destroy the collagen, supporting enzymes. Pair it with olive oil or lemon juice to boost absorption and taste. Make broccoli your go-to vegetable for dinner. It works silently but powerfully, repairing joint tissues while you rest. So the next time you think of pain relief, don't look at pills. Look at your plate. Broccoli could be the most natural pain protector your body has ever known. If your joints feel stiff, your legs ache, and your skin looks dull, your body might be screaming for beta-carotene. And the richest, most comforting source of it is the humble sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamin A, a nutrient your body uses to rebuild and maintain collagen fibers. When you eat them, that beta-carotene transforms into vitamin A, which tells your body to start repairing damaged tissues and rebuilding cartilage. It's like turning on a natural, healing mode inside your joints. But there's more. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C and manganese, two nutrients that strengthen the connection between your muscles and bones. They help collagen fibers form tighter, more elastic bonds, reducing pain, stiffness, and swelling. If your knees crack when you walk, or if your ankles swell after standing, adding sweet potatoes to your diet 3 to 4 times a week can change everything. Roast them, mash them, or add them to salads. They're a sweet medicine your joints will thank you for. And here's a secret. The natural antioxidants in sweet potatoes also reduce inflammation around your blood vessels, improving blood flow to your legs. That means less swelling, better movement, and a feeling of strength that returns from the inside out. Sweet potatoes aren't just food. They're your collagen repair toolkit, wrapped in warmth and color. Kale is often called the king of greens, and for a good reason. It's one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on Earth, especially when it comes to joint and bone health. If you've been dealing with sore knees, weak legs, or painful movement, kale might be the missing piece your body's been craving. Kale is loaded with vitamin K, calcium, and vitamin C, a trio that works perfectly together to restore both collagen and bone density. Vitamin K helps direct calcium straight into your bones instead of letting it build up in your arteries. Meanwhile, vitamin C activates your body's collagen production, strengthening the connective tissues that hold your joints and muscles in harmony. Every bite of kale acts like a repair signal, telling your bones to get denser, your cartilage to get stronger, and your blood to flow more smoothly. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which calm down inflammation and protect your legs from that heavy, tired feeling that comes with swelling. The secret is consistency. Add kale to your morning smoothie, toss it into a soup, or lightly saute it with olive oil and garlic. Just a handful a day can start rebuilding the foundation your body stands on. Kale doesn't just support your collagen. It gives your bones and joints the strength to carry you forward with confidence. When it comes to healthy legs and pain-free joints, one thing matters as much as collagen: blood circulation. Without strong blood flow, your joints can't receive enough oxygen or nutrients to heal. That's where beetroot comes in. Beetroot is a circulation superhero. It's packed with nitrates, compounds that naturally widen your blood vessels and improve oxygen delivery throughout your body. The result: more nutrients reach your legs, your muscles recover faster, and inflammation begins to fade from within. But that's not all. Beetroot is also rich in vitamin C, folate, and iron, which all work together to boost collagen formation and support red blood cell production. When your blood becomes richer in oxygen and nutrients, your collagen fibers grow stronger, and swelling, stiffness, and pain start to fade away. If you often feel your legs are heavy or swollen by evening, try adding beetroot to your lunch or smoothie. Within weeks, you'll notice improved energy and lighter legs. Plus, the deep red pigment in beetroot, betanin, acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects your tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Every glass of beetroot juice or beet salad is like a natural detox for your legs. It cleans your blood, strengthens your veins, and keeps your joints flexible. So remember this: if you want collagen to work, your blood must flow, and beetroot is the key to making that happen naturally. Bright, colorful, and bursting with flavor, bell peppers are more than just a salad topping. They're one of the most powerful collagen activators in the entire vegetable kingdom. Why? Because bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, and not just a little. They contain almost 3 times more than an orange. Vitamin C is the spark plug your body needs to start producing collagen. Without it, collagen can't form properly, no matter how much protein you eat. When you eat bell peppers, especially the red and yellow ones, you give your body the perfect signal to rebuild and tighten collagen fibers in your joints, skin, and muscles. This means smoother movement, less stiffness, and stronger, more elastic tissues holding your legs together. Bell peppers also contain capsaicin, especially in the spicier varieties, which reduces inflammation and improves blood flow around your knees and ankles. And their rich antioxidants, like beta, carotene, and lutein, protect your collagen from breaking down due to aging and stress. The best part: they're delicious and easy to include. Eat them raw in salads, roast them with olive oil, or blend them into soups. A few colorful slices every day can transform the way your joints feel and move. Bell peppers don't just make your plate look alive. They make your body come alive again from the inside, rebuilding your natural strength one bite at a time. Garlic might be small, but it's one of the most powerful healing vegetables for your joints, veins, and tissues. Hidden inside each clove is a compound called sulfur, and that's exactly what your body needs to connect and stabilize collagen fibers. Think of sulfur as the glue that holds your collagen network together. Without it, your collagen becomes weak, your joints lose strength, and your skin starts to sag. Garlic replenishes that sulfur naturally, tightening your tissues, strengthening your ligaments, and protecting your cartilage from wear and tear. But garlic doesn't stop there. It's also loaded with allicin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that helps flush out toxins from your bloodstream. This process reduces swelling in your legs and prevents the painful buildup of fluids that makes movement difficult. When your blood becomes cleaner and more oxygenated, your joints receive the nutrients they need to heal. Over time, garlic helps rebuild the collagen bridge that connects muscles, bones, and tissues, restoring your body's flexibility from the inside. The best way to use it: eat 1 or 2 cloves daily, crushed or chopped, to release the allicin. Add it to soups, curries, or mix it with olive oil as a dressing. Garlic is nature's simplest medicine, one that silently strengthens every connection in your body, from your knees to your heart, keeping you mobile, strong, and pain-free. Cabbage may look simple, but it's one of the most underrated vegetables for joint and leg health. Packed with vitamin C, sulfur, and glutamine, cabbage is a true collagen saver. It protects the collagen you already have and helps your body make more of it naturally. Sulfur, found abundantly in cabbage, strengthens the bonds between collagen fibers, keeping your joints firm, your veins elastic, and your skin youthful. Meanwhile, glutamine works as a healing agent, repairing the inner tissues that get damaged from inflammation or poor circulation. If your knees crack, your legs swell, or your joints feel heavy, cabbage can help reverse that damage from the inside out. Its anti-inflammatory compounds calm the tissues, flush out toxins, and bring back the smooth flexibility your legs once had. You can eat it raw in salads, steam it lightly, or drink cabbage juice. Every form carries healing power. Combine it with other collagen-rich veggies from this list, and you'll have a daily routine that naturally rebuilds your strength. Remember, your body is designed to heal. You just need to give it the right tools. These 8 vegetables are not medicine. They're nature's blueprint for regeneration, mobility, and freedom from pain. So start today. Add these foods to your meals, stay consistent, and watch your legs and joints transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others heal naturally too. Your journey to pain-free living begins with what's on your plate.